Hello everyone, here we are on a Tuesday, the 4th of June 2019. It is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon and we are flying the drone again today. Today we're going over the construction site of McDonald's on Carlisle Street. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to circle around the building. You can see all the activity that's going on. Trucks all over the place, building materials. If you take notice, on the front of the building, they started putting a new roof of some kind on. It's real white there in the front. That's all new. This morning when I was flying around, they were taking the old roof off. So I'll just leave the video run here till we get around to the back side again. And as we come around to the back side, we're going to transition into a closer up shot. We're going to circle again, but we're going to be a little closer this time. You can get things in a different perspective. Alright, there we are. Now we're a little bit closer and you can see what's going on from that angle. I'll just leave the video run. Nothing too exciting to talk about. What's the old story? What you see is what you get. So have a good day, everyone, and we'll catch you later. And goodbye.